So we're going to look at using Google Keep, which is kind of Google's version of Post-it notes. And we're going to look at it in both desktop version and the mobile version. So for the first video here, we're going to look at just the simplest option we have, which is going to be to create a note. So let's take a look at that. Here I've got the website open and I've got my phone open as well. So to start a new note in Google Keep, I get this take a note option at the very top here on the browser. I can simply click right where it says take a note. I can give it a title like my first note. And then right here I can type things like this is a text-based note. Because of course you can make notes with other things, pictures and voice and whatnot, and we're going to take a look at those as well. Now on my phone, because I'm looking at the same space here, as soon as that note gets created, it just synced up and it's showing up there now, so I can see it on my device. I'm going to go ahead and say done, or close. And when I do make these notes, as I hover on it, I get a bunch of little options down here at the bottom. So one of them is background options. I'm going to give this a color here, just so it stands out a little bit. Now over on the phone, what I'm going to look at is down at the bottom here, we have a little plus symbol. I'm going to tap on that guy, and I can go ahead here and start typing on my phone. We'll call it my second note. Tap into the note space. This is also a text note. Hit the little guy at the bottom there, the little painter's palette again. I'll give this another color or similar color, and I can go back. And I see both of those notes appearing on my device as well as on Google Keep. Now that is appearing here, of course, on keep.google.com. I can access that when I'm under the little cluster of dots here and I go to Google Keep. Of course, Keep is also available now when I go to lots of other places. So I'll use Calendar as an example. Pop into Calendar, and I have a little Keep icon here on the sidebar that I can pop out and start going through my Keep notes here as well. I'll close that up. And we're going to stick with the web. So we're going to carry on with a series of videos here, and we're going to take a look at different ways that you can make notes in Keep, some of the different things you can add, and just all the sort of flexibility and options you have with these notes.